Alright gentlemen, stay on with us as we speak about earnings. Manappuram Finance posted weak set of numbers in the December quarter. P. Nandakumar, MD and CEO of Manappuram Finance, joins us now to take us through the performance of the company in the quarter gone by. And Shraddha Babla, who tracks the sector pretty closely, is also joining us. Shraddha, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Navneet. Mr. Nandakumar, thank you for joining us here on Bloomberg Quint. If you could first take us through the key drivers for the quarter and how the collection efficiency has been, especially because the asset quality in the non-gold business at least seems to have worsened.
In commercial vehicles, we are around 500 crores. It is going well. That portfolio is behaving reasonably well. We have reported around 4 crores profit from that business during the current quarter. In the coming quarters, the business can do well. We have started a new business, two-wheeler business also. We are currently around 30 crores. Next year we will see a good growth there also. These are the highlights about major business. The non-gold portfolio is somewhere around 22% now, going as per our expectation. We want to have a balance between gold and non-gold as a risk mitigation strategy, which the company want to adopt going forward. As expected, the one third by 2025, by 2020, around 30%, more than 30% will be non-gold. So these businesses will get stabilized. These are some of the highlights of the lending businesses. So we have the distribution business through our insurance broking company. That company is doing well, reported profits. Next year the distribution will be further strengthened. These are some of the highlights of the business.
Sure. Sir, how do you or what is the plan to strengthen the non-gold businesses, and out of microfinance, housing finance and vehicle finance, which do you believe will lead at least in terms of growth for FY19?
Microfinance business will definitely do well. Currently, the portfolio is over 2,100 crores. We are hopeful of closing the year with around 2,300 crores. Next year, there could be a good growth there as the business has stabilized. It can do well. Housing finance, we definitely bet on because we are into affordable housing finance, and we have a very large customer base in the gold loan. The customer base is around 2.5 million customers. Many of these customers wanted home loans. If we analyze our home loan segment, around 10% of the customer share the commonality between home loans as well as gold loans. So similarly, the next one is commercial vehicle, where around 20% of the customers are having gold loans with us already, and they have been our customers for long. And we have started two-wheeler business also, which is around, as I mentioned, which is around 30 crores. Around 40% of the customers are our gold loan customers. So all these we can really grow, but we really wanted to grow affordable housing because a lot of encouragement is given by the government of India through the budgetary allocations as well as others also encouragement, which will we can move with the tide. So we are really betting on that.
So how do you expect the rising bond yields to impact your cost of funds, and again, is the impact likely to be more profound on the margins in the fourth quarter because bond yields have started to move much more sharply since January?
We don't expect much depression in the net interest margin. The reason is, even though there is some tightening in the market, we are gradually retiring our high cost funds in NCD, the old NCD, 3 years, etc., etc. So even then, some 10 to 15 points increase can be expected. The margins, but our yield would be protected somewhere in the same region. So the net impact on the NIM may not be that significant.
All right, thank you very much for joining us here on Bloomberg Quint, Mr. Nandakumar. Appreciate your time. So that was the management of Manappuram Finance. The gold loan portfolio has seen some improvement as far as the asset quality is concerned, but the non-gold businesses have seen their gross NPAs spike in the quarter, and the management has said that you could see a marginal hit on the margins on the fourth quarter. With that, it's back to you, Navneet.
Thanks a lot, Shraddha, for that. And in fact, the stock today is come under pressure. Remember, yesterday it was up nearly 4 to 4.5%, so it's given up its gains that one saw in yesterday's trade. All right, that's about Manappuram Finance. Let's switch back to viewer queries, and we're getting a lot of your live queries on Facebook and Twitter. Let me take a look at the Facebook.